Fine, Dr. Howard, Dr. Fine.
No, it's Howard Fine Howard.
That's what I said.
No, you said Fine Howard Fine.
No, I said that. Did I?
Yeah.
No.
I was recording. We can go back and we can do instant replay.
No, that's all right. I'll take your word for it.
Those are three of my favorite doctors, though.
That was a funny bit. That was a funny bit. I'll give you that. It's super close. Screwdriver. That one.
A real big one?
Oh. Okay, so now I need somebody to hold that there. Just like that.
Dr. Peters got it.
I'm on it.
Dr. Laria.
Oh, look at that.
Dr. Laria, MD.
The other one came out pretty easy.
Oh, this is tight.
Yeah, this one's a little more
It's a little
F.
rough in there.
Which could be a good thing or it could be a bad thing. We don't know yet.
Definitely yucky.
Hey, whose idea was it to take this thing apart anyway?
You about 10 o'clock this morning when you said, hey, do you have any books for that?
Yeah, I did do that, didn't I?
Yep. And at 5:30, I actually started looking for books. I was like, oh crap, I gotta do that.
Oh, we get him. I'm gonna need.
Need a bang bang.
No, I don't want that. I want.
Channel locks. Face
Yeah.
grip. Ooh, baby channel locks. Baby channel locks. Good call.
If I can get in here and grab it. Okay.
There you go.
Not the highly advisable method. But this transmission's looking a little crunchy.
Might be binding on the other end, maybe.
It looks like it is, like it's cocked, so to
Because
speak.
it's not coming out straight; it's coming out on an angle.
We had the other transmission a little bit further loose. I don't know why. Nope, I popped it, didn't I?
Yeah.
No, I didn't. No, she's still clear. Still clear. It's just a matter of it's got to come out square. Be the small needle nose pliers. Those little guys. Let's try that. It's a geometry problem at this point.
And physics.
Let's get physical.
Physical.
That took a lot of it out.
There you go. There you go. Sherman
Okay.
success. That looks way worse than the other one.
It does look a little crunchy, doesn't it?
That has the leather band, right? underneath?
Well, this is not a leather band. This is a composite material. It's not leather. Years ago. Oh, yeah.
Is it one?
Let's do that. Well, that's what we're going to check.
Allie went fishing for the old one. Oh, Rick's like, oh my god.
It's this one.
Why are there so many extras? What's going on here?
There are no extras.
Oh, wait.
There's two of them.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah. Okay. Never mind. That's right. Sorry.
Right. So these are identical. So now we're going to do a comparative with these.
Oh.
But the-
oh. You
Yeah.
can see.
This one looks a little bit rougher, but we don't know how rough until we measure it. Now, what happened to my measuring stick?
You mean
I
your
have
calipers?
my hot little hand.
Your calipers?
Yeah, what do I do with it?
Oh god, I just saw them too.
I know I have it. I brought it out because we were going to measure.
Doing some measuring.
This is going on. There they are.
I'm getting them snacky.
Put it down over here. So I thought I was going to measure that thrust washer. This is going to give us a really good indication Let's look at the book here real quick.
The bookie hook.
All right. So Mr. Book says that for low gear, low band is applied. So if there was any slip in the low band, it's going to show up. Now this was installed like that, and that's the actuator. So the thinnest part of the band is going to be in this general area right here. And when we measure it, it's telling us about 150 or 15. Is that right? Yeah. It's 0.15 inches is what it is. So this is out of this transmission, and it's 0.15. Out of this one, let me make sure I'm measuring the same thing. I measured it there, right? Double check that. There's the marks from, no, those aren't the marks. Those are the marks from pulling it out. So we measured it here.
God, look at that material.
Yeah, and it's actually a little bit thinner. It's like 145. On this one, there's the M. This one is 162.
Whoa.
Or actually 58. I'm reading it dyslexically. But so this band has less wear on it. That transmission, at least in low band, is in better shape. There are other things we have to measure though, and we have time. We have to take this off. So I need somebody to get in here and use nasty tools. I believe there are 5 bolts here that have to come off, and then we can slide this tail shaft off. This tail shaft housing, or output shaft housing, we can slide that off and have a look at the condition. We have to actually pull the governor, pull the rear pump, and then we should be able to slide this out in its entirety. So who wants to take this tail housing off?
Who's pulling?
It's just easy bolts.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Where
Yep.
the gloves at?
The boxes over.
Gloves right there.
Gloves are there.
What does the governor do?